Glam doesn't have to be expensive, but it does need to be tasteful, chic, and elegant. To make this glam placemat, you will need craft paper that you can get at any craft store and a roll of Bling Wrap. Mine came from Totally Dazzled. They have 4 different colors in stock. Pre-measure your Bling Wrap and your craft paper and cut it to your desired length. Once you cut it, take your Bling Wrap and attach it to your craft paper using a clear tacky glue or your glue gun. And after that, guys, you should end up with something that looks like this. I made 4 placemats for a total cost of $15. Not bad. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned. More videos to come. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.